My name is Andrey Tsediakov. I'm a technical architect from the telco group in VMware. I'm located in Dallas, in Texas. 2 years ago, I got responsibility for 2 telco labs, and since then I'm assigned as a captain and I'm owner of the content. We align the labs with the product, we update the versions, and we're making it more fun for people to get involved with the telco things. We take the features that's coming out of the R&D, we create a use case around it, and we put it in the lab and deliver it to the end user. When you take this lab, you will actually experience the day-to-day life of the telco engineer from the operator tier 1 company. The telco world right now in the middle of the transformation from virtual machines to the container-based / cloud native functionality. The telco labs will help you to understand how easy this transformation can be done and automated from the perspective of the operators. By having manuals on top of the infrastructure, it will walk you through step by step. You will have an experience of onboarding, instantiating, and validating the workloads on the Kubernetes infrastructure. And then you will have a part of the lifecycle experience with the same product on the workload. The usual feedback from the customers is that they're really grateful to have this infrastructure up and running without them being needed to install it in their premises. So we have it available online 24/7. Anyone can go and try them online without any need for the resources and any effort on their own premises. Go and take a lab and have a sip of coffee.